Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. Today we're going to focus on another topic for IELTS Speaking Part 1, Pets and Animals. I'll provide you with topic-based vocabularies plus 12 most common questions and answers. Let's get started. In Speaking Part 1, the examiner will ask you simple everyday questions on topics like home, studies, work, free time, interest, etc. The goal is to check how fluently, naturally, and accurately you speak, not to test your deep knowledge. The answer should be short, about 2 to 4 sentences. Don't overcomplicate things, but try to add details, examples, and natural expressions. Remember, the examiner wants to hear your English, not a one-word answer. Before going through the questions that examiners may ask, let's review some vocabulary and phrases for this topic.
Domesticated animals, animals kept at home. Companion animals, pets that give emotional support. Exotic pets, unusual animals like reptiles or parrots. Animal welfare, care and protection of animals. Pet-friendly, suitable for people who own pets. To take care of, look after, to be responsible for. To adopt a pet, to bring a pet home from a shelter. Stray animals, homeless animals in the streets. Bond with, to connect emotionally. Fur babies, a funny way to refer to pets like children. Foster a pet, temporarily care for a pet until adoption. Animal instincts, natural behaviors of animals. Wildlife conservation, protecting wild animals and their habitats. Pet companionship, emotional support pets provide. Responsible pet ownership, taking proper care of a pet.
Alright, let's delve into questions and answers. Number 1. Do you like animals?
Yes, absolutely. I've always been fascinated by animals because they're so diverse and unique. I find them comforting, and I believe humans can learn a lot from the way animals interact with nature.
Number 2. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. She's very playful and affectionate. Taking care of her has taught me patience and responsibility.
Number 3. What kind of animals do you like?
I'm particularly fond of dogs because they're loyal and make great companions. But I also like birds. They bring so much life and color.
Number 4. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dolphin. They're intelligent, friendly, and always seem cheerful. Plus, I admire how they communicate with each other.
Number 5. Did you have a pet when you were a child?
Yes, I used to have a parrot when I was a kid. It could mimic our voices, which was hilarious. That pet actually sparked my love for animals.
Number 6. Are there any animals you dislike?
To be honest, I'm not very comfortable around snakes. They make me nervous, although I respect them as part of the ecosystem.
Number 7. Why do people keep pets?
People keep pets mainly for companionship. Pets reduce loneliness, help relieve stress, and even encourage people to exercise.
Number 8. What kind of animals are popular as pets in your country?
In my country, cats and dogs are the most popular pets. Recently, though, more people are interested in exotic pets like iguanas and tropical fish.
Number 9. Is it important to protect the animals?
Yes, without a doubt. Animals are a vital part of our environment. Protecting them helps maintain balance in nature and preserves biodiversity.
Number 10. Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I visited the zoo a few times. While it's educational to see animals up close, I sometimes feel sorry for them because they belong in the wild.
Number 11. Do you think animals should be kept in zoos?
It depends. If zoos are designed for education and conservation, they can be useful. But if animals are kept in poor conditions just for entertainment, then it's unfair.
And number 12. Would you like to have a pet in the future?
Yes, definitely. If I have more space, I'd love to adopt a dog. They're great for keeping active and for building strong bonds.
Alright, now let's end the video with some useful tips that could help you boost your score. Number 1. Expand your answers. Don't just say yes or no. Add reasons, examples, or feelings. Number 2. Use topic vocabulary. Slip in words like adopt, companion, or animal welfare. Number 3. Show fluency. Speak naturally without long pauses. Number 4. Be expressive. Use intonation and sound interested. And number 5. Practice paraphrasing. Say things in different ways. For example, instead of I like dogs, say I'm really fond of dogs because. Practice these words and questions, record yourself, and notice how much more fluent you sound each time. See you in the next video.